Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Myself, I'm Shweta. I am an English teacher in Kakatiya Public School. Children, today we are going to discuss a new topic of where to use and is. Okay? See children, once there was two flowers. It's the story about the two flowers. Okay? One day, the name of the first flower is. One day, it felt very sad and it found that nobody is playing with her. Okay, so is asked that is anybody is there to play with me? Means suddenly he came to she. I'm very free now. I just wants to play with you. When he came, she also came to she. Is to play with them. Okay? And it also came to play with is. He came to is. She came to is. It came to is to play with this is. Now it felt very happy and is asked to I. Is it asked to I. Dear I, would you like to play with me? Means what I said, no, I don't want to play with you. I just only wants to play with am. I just wants to play with only am. So she started playing with he, she, it. So I used to play only with am. Okay children? So here is started playing with he, she, it. I used to play only with am. Okay, coming to another flower. One day, the name of the flower is R. It felt very bored. And this R also asking, please, is there anybody to play with me? So, suddenly, we came. Hi R, now I am very free. I just wants to play with you. Then immediately you also came here. Hi R, how are you? I am you. I am also very free now. I am also ready to play with you. When we and you came, they also came here. They came and by seeing them, R felt very happy by seeing these friends. What are the friends of R? We, you and they. After seeing their friends, R felt very happy and R asked that I. Hi, would you like to come here and play with us? Means what I said, no, never, I won't come with you. I don't want to play with you. I just only wants to play with only am. Always my friend is only am. Every time I wants to play with only am. I don't want to play with you anymore. So, who are the friends of R here? You just tell me, Nana. Friends of R are we, you and they. Okay children, is it understood? So, wherever I is there, we will be using am. So, for he, she, it, we will be using is. For example, he is, she is, it is, he is coming, he is going, she is coming, she is going. It is a ball. It is a ball. It is a book. It is red in color. In that way. Okay. So, I, it is used for only am. We are. You are. They are. We are coming. You are good. They are playing. We are playing. Are you coming or you are coming? They are sleeping. So in this way we are going to use am, is, are. I hope you all are enjoyed this lesson, and now I am going to give you some examples of how to use am, is and are. Okay children? Let us do some examples. Okay? Look here children. Already I have told you wherever I is there you have to use am. I am. I am. Wherever the word he, she, it comes, we have to use is. Like he is, she is, it is. Okay children? He is, she is, it is. Okay children? Now coming to are. How to use, where to use are? We are. You are. They are. We are. You are. They are. By using this, we will do some of the examples. Okay? See, here I is there. It is singular. I am Sita. Look here. I, wherever the I comes, we have to use am. I am Sita. Okay? Look at the second one. You dash Ramu. You, wherever the word you comes, are. A-R-E-R. You are Ramu. They dash boy. Wherever the word they comes, we have to use are. They are boys. Next, he dash playing. Wherever the word he comes, we have to use is. He is playing. See, we dash coming. Wherever the word we it comes, we have to use are. We are coming. Okay, children? See, the word wherever it. Where is it? Wherever the word it comes, we have to use is. It is raining. It is raining. She dash my brother. She, wherever the word she it comes, we have to use is. He. He is my brother. He is my brother. He is my brother. I, wherever the word I, letter I comes, we have to use am. I am happy. Okay children? They dash playing. Wherever the word they comes, we have to use are. They are playing. See, we dash children. Wherever the word we comes, we have to use good. Are. We are children. Children, once you look at the word, I am Sita. You are Ramu. They are boys. He is playing. We are coming. It is raining. He is my brother. I am happy. They are playing. We are children. Okay, children? So, you need to keep these things in your mind so that you can write, with the help of this, we can write many sentences. Okay, children? See, how to remember? I just want to sing a single rhyme run. See, look here. I am, he, she, it is. We, you, they are. I am, he, she, it is. We, you, they Okay, children. Have you understood? So, I am going to give you another exercise. You need to complete the homework and you need to send your pics to your in charge madam. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Thank you.